From farm to factory to fork. On their way to consumers, food products are treated with a number of substances designed to improve flavour and longevity. In order to protect consumers, many substances are subject to strict regulations based on the latest science and require quantitative analysis in order to ensure labelling accuracy. Let's take a look at some examples. Taste something sweet? It might not be what you think it is. As a scientific consensus has emerged on the negative health consequences of excess dietary sugar, a range of sweeteners have been brought to market which mimic its sweet taste without affecting the body's blood sugar levels. Many of these sweeteners are steviol glycosides, such as rubicicide, derived from the leaves of the stevia plant, otherwise known as sweet leaf. Despite being 30 to 150 times sweeter than sugar, steviol glycosides are not metabolized by the body and so effectively contain 0 calories. Rubicicide and other steviol glycosides have been generally recognized as safe by the US FDA and won EU approval in 2011. An acceptable daily limit of 4 mg per kilogram of body weight per day has been set by the European Food Safety Authority, a level consistent with that already established by the joint FAO and WHO Expert Committee on Food Additives. Unlike steviol glycosides and other flavours, additives generally do not alter the flavour of a food product, though they may alter its texture, colour, longevity, or nutritional properties. For example, choline is a nutrient found in many foods, including meat, dairy products, eggs, and cruciferous vegetables. Essential for the regulation of the brain, nervous system, and other functions, some multivitamin dietary supplements contain choline, often in the form of choline bitartate. Being able to accurately quantify levels of additives like choline bitartate or flavours like rubicicide in food substances is key to complying with regulations and protecting consumers from the potential adverse effects of some flavourings and additives when consumed in abundance. Illegal adulterants, meanwhile, present a different analytical problem, that of qualitatively analysing for a potentially unknown substance. Food may be subject to adulteration with illegal substances in order to alter its appearance, reduce costs, or sidestep regulations. For example, vanilla extract may be adulterated with cheaper tonka bean extract, which can give off a similar scent due to the presence of the chemical compound coumarin. Coumarin exhibits anticoagulant properties and has been shown to cause liver damage in laboratory animals. As such, testing for the presence of coumarin and other adulterants is vital, as the presence of unregulated substances can lead to serious health risks for consumers, not to mention food processing workers. When testing for an unknown adulterant, a lot of questions need to be asked. What am I looking for? How much of it is there? How will I know when I found it? Thankfully, when working with our Dr. Ehrenstorfer range of high-quality reference materials, you won't need to question the accuracy of your results. Whether you're working with food additives, flavours, or adulterants, our recently expanded portfolio is designed to help your laboratory perform accurate analysis. The majority of our range of reference materials, which now includes rubicicide, coumarin, and choline metabolites, is certified to either ISO 17025 or ISO 17034 accreditation, meaning you can rest assured that you're working with quality products. Take a look at our extensive range and get in touch to find out more. LGC, Science for a Safer World.